Hi, this is Nishita Mantri, and I'm a business coach, and I keep meeting a lot of people every day, and that's why I apply makeup every day. So I wanted to understand and learn, personal makeup. I found this, class by Kalyani Umrani, and I realized that I don't have the time to actually go and learn personal makeup. So, I thought, why not try this online class? It's just for 999. I was quite, resisting in the beginning because I was not sure if online we can learn or how it will be. But since it was not very expensive, I thought, let me give it a try. Well, it blew my mind off because I'm someone who does a lot of makeup. So I keep, seeing a lot of YouTube videos. I just thought that this could be just another YouTube video. But this class was amazing. I learned so much. I learned the kind of different brushes that I need. I learned that what I need to do pre-makeup, the cleansing, toning, moisturizing. And I learned a lot of techniques which I didn't know of. You sometimes know the basics of makeup, but this was just not a basic makeup class. It was pretty detailed, and picture quality of the video, the way it's shot, the way, it's taken the whole learning makeup online to the next level. And if you are someone and you don't have the time to learn makeup and you love doing makeup, this is a must class for you. You must attend this class.